Let's draw and color a cute grape. First, start by making some small circles topple over each other. Now, draw a stem and a leaf. Continue by drawing two cute eyes and a tiny mouse in the middle circle. Great job! Time to color the grape. Use purple for the grape and green for the stem and leaf. We did it! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.